As ridiculous as it might sound, we are we are behind on schedule. And there's something that happened yesterday. There was a trade that I was observing yesterday, but for some unknown reason, that very trade, right? That very trade we did not place it, but it hit our take profit. We literally did not hit it and hit our take profit. We analyzed three trades that yesterday, and from those three trades now, this is Euro GBP, GBP card, and AUD card. Now, AUD card was the one that went our way, and like I'm still trying to put into my consideration that the entry was not just there. You get the entry was not just there. Okay, let me show you what I'm seeing because it smashed our take profit, smashed it beyond control. So now, right, this is what we were observing yesterday, as at the beginning of yesterday. As at the beginning of yesterday, this is what we were observing. Okay, so look at it now. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it clearly. So now, right, this is when we entered the markets, right? It had broken the entry here, did not retest it properly, broke it again, and came back down. Now, as far as the trade, right, it's very obvious. It's a very well-known fact that everybody knows about that. If the trade did not go our way here, like if it came from entry and went all the way to stop loss, this whole break and retest is going to be nullified. So what we're looking for now is for another break of this structure, retesting it and went to the upside. We saw it, but it was not strong enough. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. I'm still pissed off. I'm seriously pissed off. I was seriously contemplating on picking this trade. Seriously contemplating on it. Okay, this is take profit. So this is not it. Let's go back. I was seriously contemplating it. I don't know why I was just nonchalant about it. So annoying. Let me shrink it down. Let me shrink it down so it will be visible. Because I see, okay, see it here. Okay, let me zoom in a little for this one. So let me zoom in. So see it here. It broke it, came back down to retest it, broke it again, came back down to retest it two times in a row, turning this from into a double bottom. So after turning to a double bottom, went to the upside. Now, what we're supposed to do, I'm so pissed off. I'm so pissed off. I was literally on this trade. I was literally on this flipping trade. I knew what I was wanted to do. I was hesitating for some absurd reason. I felt like the retracement was not going to be strong enough. So what I was looking for, so it moved here. When it got to here, it started retracing. I was like, okay, this is going to be acknowledged as our retracement. It's going to come all the way down here, acknowledge here, and go to the upside. We missed it completely. We missed this trade completely. It's still annoying me till date. This is AUD card. Let me see if I can see something. This AUD card, so GBP card. So I'm looking forward to GBP card because it's like the next big thing. Because AUD card just did the same thing now, hits TP. So I'm hoping that it does too. So um, let's adjust it. So now this one was acknowledged. This is the entry. It broke the entry. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Now, it broke it, came to retest. Broke it again. This was supposed to be our entry here. Was supposed to be our entry. But for some absurd reason, because we were not in the market, obviously, we were not in the market. We're watching the market and all of that. So, because we're not in the market, it still retraced back down. But it broke here, so we cannot acknowledge this until it comes up, retrace again, then go to the upside. So I don't know. I'm still pissed off about AED card trade because it was there have been a very clean tipping, very clean one, no stress. So except for here, but it was like a very clean movement to the upside. So pissed off, so pissed off. I'm really pissed off about this trade. Seriously pissed off about it. But let's just focus on why we came here. Obviously, we're trying to pick the trends, each and every one of the trends. We'll clean up the charts. Very important. Let's clean up the charts. I don't even know why we chose a consolidation market as our number one. It's still not making sense. We would have just used a card. I don't know. I just felt like if I was at the market, I would have done so. I was no, it's not. I felt like I was literally watching this trade. I was watching it with my bare eyes. I was literally watching it and I missed the trade. Why? Because it did not give me a decent retracement. I'm still pissed off. I'm still seriously pissed off. But I'm just going to accept it as the trade was not meant for us. If we follow our strategy strictly, we'll we'll end up accepting it like that. So then let's just take it like it was not meant for us. Let's literally take the trade because you know why I'm so pissed off? The strategy states that when it is retracing, so sorry that I'm dwelling in the past, but this past is something I need to dwell on so I don't make this kind of silly mistake. So the strategy states that it will break the entry, right? This candle broke the entry. Then a candle will open and close above it. Then when retracing, it will break back into here. Another candle will open and close below it. Then it will now break up. After the breaking, this will break the this thing. But the second candle also broke the entry. So let's just take the two as the breaking candle. That's 10 minutes break candle and break of structure. 10 minutes break of structure. Then this will be our entry. And it would have been a very I'm so pissed off. So pissed off. I don't know why, I don't know how I did not observe this trade properly. I just felt like I was looking for something big like this. Bring up, come down, retrace, that's all. But this very pattern gave us exactly what we are looking for. Exactly what we are looking for. And I did not pick the trade. Exact. When I came into the market, I met the market, this candle was still loading. I was like, if this candle ends in a bullish candle, I'm supposed to place it. I did not place this trade. I'm still pissed off. Just allow me to vent because it's something that we literally missed because we did not look at our strategy properly. Everything was in line. It was absolutely in line. So obviously what we will do, we will clean up the objects. Wait, let's not clean up the object yet. Let's not clean up the object yet. Let us find the top trades, the top pairs for today's market. If we find the top pairs, from those top pairs, we are going to now decide if we are going to like clean up the object and all of that. So I think that's what we're going to do. Um, I'm still pissed off. I'm still trying to let me just observe this trade to see what this trade was exactly what like it was without blemish. It was without um, any errors. Exactly what we are looking for. Exactly what we were looking for. I don't know why I didn't place this trade. I'm so pissed off about. I'm so pissed off with myself. Seriously pissed off with myself because it's just it's something that I know for a fact that was supposed to go away. But because I was will I say scared or skeptical, I don't know what term to use and describe what I was feeling, but I felt like it's not something we should place. It's something that we should hold on to. It's something we should look for a better setup. This was a good enough setup. I feel like beating my previous self. I feel like just calling my previous self and giving it a proper beating. That's how I feel. Do you know how hard it is to find a good entry and at the same time the good entry giving you a take profit? Now it's only like by a special grace that today's trade because once it gets to Wednesday, after Wednesday the market slow down. So let's just hope we see an entry on Wednesday. I'm still pissed off. I'm so pissed off. I'm just going to accept. I'm just going to accept my fate. Literally just going to accept my fate. I'm just let it accept my fate and just take it as okay, yeah. It slipped from our fingers. Let me shrink it. Let me shrink it now. Okay. This is just pure consolidation. I don't even know how it got to number one. This is bullish. This is literally bullish. Okay. Anything after Euro before Euro GBP, it needs to be looked at. GBP. I'm just looking for all the trends. You can see all the trends. This is literally going bullish, but it's bullish. Like, there's a lot of consolidation around here. Hopefully, there's no more consolidation. Ah, let's leave it. GBP and consolidation is a lot. GPJPY was GPUSD was. I need a trend. Nope. Yes. Do I really want? Yes, because it was is a trend and the trend is still trending. But it's too far. Okay, let me just put it up the GB card, AED card. You know what? Let us clean our pairs. Let us clean our pairs because let it not be an extra work for us later. Let it not be an extra work for us to do. Let's clean up our pairs. Let's clean up our pairs. Let's clean up our pairs. All the pairs should be cleaned up, cleaned up, so that we'll be working with a fresh market. We'll be looking at the market fresh, really very fresh. JPNZ, GPJPY, GPUSD. Okay. GPJPY does okay. It's fine. GPAD, nothing. Euro UAD. Wait, what's in the world? Even this pair, even this hit, I'll take profit. Oh my goodness, even this trade hit, even this trade hit, even this flipping trade hit. Who in the what in the world was wrong with me? Like, why? Even this trade, I was like, it's not meant to be at the top. It's too rough. And yes, if you look at it, it was actually too rough. There's no way we would have gotten an entry from here. Even this trade hit, I just stop myself. Just let you guys should just let me breathe. Allow me to vent. Just allow me to vent because it's literally the only thing I can do right now. If the past is the past, I can't go back in time and correct what I the mistake I made. Hey, DJ, I'm so pissed. I'm seriously pissed off with myself. I don't know. I feel like I was being incompetent. Even with 19 hours yesterday, I still couldn't. Oh my goodness. 19 hours yesterday, I couldn't place anything. I think we've cleaned up the pairs. Then let's focus on the trending pairs. Okay, bullish. GB card, bullish. Is a good trend. Anything before Euro, nothing. That's it. Is this consolidation now we need to avoid? Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Okay, this is a neat trend. Okay, aliens ending. Oh, this is a neat trend as well. ADJPY is next. Nah, Euro USD. Nah, Euro USD card. Beautiful. Let's move it up there very, very fast. Yes, the CHF. Nah, it's it's just consolidating. It is a glorified consolidation. Let's be like, nah. Um, is it consolidating? It was, let me go 14, 15 minutes. It's moving there. It's moving up there. Let me move it there. Presently, USD is next. Nope. Nope. NZDJPY. Nope. Euro NZD. Um, Change of structure. I don't fancy change of structure. I'm not a fan of it. Let's leave that. I don't fancy it at all. Euro JPY. Nah, it's not straight. It's too crooked. Okay, this is a neat. Well, let's say it's neat. CAD JPY. Let's look at CAD JPY. CAD CHF. Nope. CAD CHF is not it. CHF JPY. Nope. What is CAD JPY? It's bearish. Let's leave it like that. Let's move it. Yikes. Okay. What was our top? I think I said anything above Euro GBP, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, I said anything above Euro GBP. Okay, so what is rampant here? Card is here, AED is here, card. One, two, three, four cards. Card is definitely at the top. Card is definitely at the top. Card is definitely at the top. Then AUD, card and AUD. That's also focusing on. Let's move AUD card down. Let's move AUD card. Card and AUD. Those are the pairs we're focusing on today. Okay, let's look for card, AUD. Go up there. Card, AUD. AUD, go up there. Card, AUD, card, card, CHF, move it up. Move this card, CHF up here. So let's continue. Card, AUD card. Okay, AUD. Okay. So let's adjust it. We're closing off every other one. So let's start with card. Yikes. Card JPY. Bearish. Card CHF. Nope. Here's the card. Since card was, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is magnificent. Let's move it to normal office. JP card. This is decent. This is decent. It's not that bad. AD card. Let's move it up here. But then AD card and card JPY. Nah, AD card for the win. Just smashed a decent trend. USD card also a decent trend. USD card, AD card. USD card. USD card. Sorry, my brain just paused for a minute. Oh, my brain was literally booting. literally put in. So okay, USD card, AED card. Okay, USD card was trend. AED card. What we're looking forward to is clean trends. That's what we're literally looking for in the market right now. Clean trends. So what's in the world? What's in the world? Okay. Two are clean trend. Card JPY, is it a clean trend? Nope. Card CHI, is it a clean trend? Nope. JP card, in fact, this should be the last. No respect. GBP card, is it a clean trend? GBP card. It's decent, but it's better than card JPY. Okay. I've ranked them based on how they are. How is card JPY that is far closer to? Okay, because the background. Let me let's move back to the 15 minutes. Now let's compare the top four on the 15 minutes. Because I'm still wondering how. Oh, you see what I was talking about, the background. The background. It's like I was seeing a vision. So let's look at all of them on 15 minutes. Here's the card. Hmm. Yeah, on 15 minutes, I change of structure. They're no more you trend. Genuinely speaking, they have changed of structure. Let me just draw this. I think I'm seeing something here. A beautiful double top. Draw the line. It's not, the thing is not going okay. So here's the card. It's still a clean trend if you ask me. Wow. Nah, this was taking the top spot. Even on 15 minutes, that's taking the top spot. AED card. AED card. Let's look at USD card. Okay, we already checked the USD card. GP card. It's not a clean trend. There's a lot of consolidation there. Card JPY. Nah, I prefer this top two. AED card and USD card. The AED card and USD card. Then let's go to AED now. Oh goodness, AED card is number one. Who does that? Sorry, 5 minutes. 5 minutes first. Let's not rush things. This is not a clean trend at all. AED USD. Still not a clean trend. AED and Zendin. Okay, this is a clean trend. Let's move it up. Euro AED. It's clean. GBP AED. Nope. The instant rejection. So one, two, three. So let's compare the three to see how bad it is on 15 minutes. So it's supposed to be a bullish trend here, let's see. Well, it's still a bullish trend. I think I'm comfortable with this. Euro AED. There was a hiccup on the AED triple line. Both of them have hiccups. So AED is literally the only one with barely any hiccup. So AED is going to number one here. Then AED card and USD card is going to be number one there. Number two, whatever number it is. So let's look at things. Let's start drawing our line. I'm hoping it will be USD card, and we've not placed two trades at once before. And I'm hoping that I place two trades and suddenly hit take profits to be one kind of cool moment for me and all of that. But okay, I think we already draw a line for them. Then AED and send. So time for us to make our analysis. It's not just by drawing a line, it's by making the analysis. That's the real thing. So obviously, start from here. Which one is the most closest? Okay, this one is looking like it's promising. Let me add alert first to it. Add alerts to all of them. Wait, I hope all of them are. Let me shift, delete all of these ones. So, USD card, put alert, ADSD, put alert, then AED NZD, so put alert. Now, time for us to rename the alert. Wait, why is it taking so long to, you know, don't have the time for that. Yeah, it was taking too long to load, so I'm going to the one that's already loaded. AD card, possible buy. Possible buy. USD card is supposed to be the one on the top because it's the one that is showing the most, like the one that's like moving the most. Possible buy. I was wondering what will happen if I do this. Possible buy. If I don't put any alert name, let me see what happens. It's a name like this. I think I'm going to stop putting possible buy at the top. See it? It's just going to show me possible buy. I'll delete that message. I'll delete that message. I don't. Huh? Huh? Okay. So, AD card. Sorry, I was trying to. USD card. Possible buy. AD card. Possible buy. I think now the alerts are showing like this. I like this. I like this. Instead of me to be writing that, let me just add possible buy to the message. Yeah. Possible buy. Pause. Oh, good night. Why am I spelling double, triple over another? Possible buy. And save up. Okay, well, like I said, this is the most important one now because it's really moving down there. Okay, let's add the normal message. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust it. Buy. I just said buy equal somewhere here. 550, 200, 550, 200, 550, 200. Let's adjust it somewhere there. Yes, so the horizontal line will fall. Let's make the horizontal line fall here because after all, it's a peak. It's a peak, so the stop loss will go down. Then the horizontal line for TP is up here. Horizontal line for TP is up there. So let's make our analysis. Let's go through everything. Stop loss, remember how the whole thing works. Now let's try. Okay, entry. We acknowledged here. Stop loss acknowledged here. Wait, this is 15 minutes. That's true. That is literally true. Well, I'll go through 5. There's literally nothing. Wait, what in the world? Why is everything going so absurd? Is it the network issue? Seems like there's network issue again. Okay. Okay. Nothing is acknowledged here. Okay, stop loss acknowledged here. Stop loss acknowledged. Entry slightly acknowledged. It's good we went 5 minutes. If not, we think that that was proper acknowledgement by the entry. Oh no, it's true. It's not proper. There's only two entry in the entry. So stop loss acknowledged. That will be more like a stop loss acknowledged. Okay. Okay. Let's just keep going. We're looking for peak, not a needle. That's the mistake we're doing. Take profit acknowledged here. Jeez. This is beautiful. Let's put it like that. It's beautiful. Take profit acknowledged here by the way. Okay. 1 hour straight. 1 hour. I was supposed to rename this. Let me rename this to TP. TP entry. And oh goodness. Entry SL. Okay. TP acknowledged. Let's keep going. Take profit acknowledged here. Stop loss acknowledged here. Entry acknowledged here. Mm, take profit acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged. Stop loss acknowledged. Stop loss acknowledged. I need entry to be acknowledged. Entry slightly acknowledged here. Stop loss acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged. Your place take profit acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged. Uh, stop loss acknowledged here. 4 hour time frame. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Let's go there. There's a 4 hour time frame. Wow. I want to be sure, but I think that is pure. This is take profit acknowledged, by the way. But what I saw there, I want to be sure if that is pure in entry acknowledged on the 4 hour time frame. Just want to be sure. I said it. Well, not purely, but slightly. Then, if it's not entry acknowledged, it's stop loss acknowledged. Pick your choice. Do you know, for instance, all the stop loss that have been acknowledged is usually up here. I'm sure the stop loss will even get all the way down here. I'm not sure it will even consider going down there because all this acknowledgement has always been up there. All the acknowledgement for stop loss is always down up there. So TP acknowledged up here. Take profit acknowledged up here. I'm still trying to look at it. Stop loss acknowledged here. Stop loss acknowledged here. Take profit acknowledged up here. There is nothing on entry. Stop loss acknowledged here. There's literally nothing on entry. Let's go to daily time frame. Whether you like it or not, this is take profit acknowledged. So please, let me zoom in on it so you guys can see. Let me zoom in on it. Take profit acknowledged, take profit acknowledged. Entry slightly acknowledged all through here, and stop loss slightly acknowledged all through here. Entry acknowledged by this candle. Uh, stop loss acknowledged here. So let's keep going. I think we'll soon be done with USD card. Okay, this is the last push for USD card. Let me zoom in on it so it will be visible and clear. Take profit acknowledged here. Profit acknowledged, take profit acknowledged, take profit acknowledged. Entry slightly acknowledged. On the daily time frame, slightly acknowledged on the daily time frame. Stop loss slightly acknowledged. I think that is all. That is all. So yeah. Let's go down to 5 minutes. Delete this obviously. Delete this and wait for our entry. Now let's go to the other two. AED card and AED NZD. So obviously you know what we need to do. You know what we need to do. Okay. 550, 200. 200. Okay. Um, so yeah. Shrink, 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 shrink. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. AED card. AED card. Okay. Now let's go through. Second. Mm, well, acknowledged here. I'm going to be pointing acknowledgement. Let me close this up. So that was acknowledged. Okay. Okay, 5 minutes done. 15 minutes next. 15 minutes. I can't see anything. There is nothing. There is nothing. 1 hour. It will be kind of cool to have no limits. I want to see it could be cool. Genuinely speaking, it could be cool to to move the market to the market. Oh wow, 4 hours. Ha. I was wondering, ha, just like that. No limit anyway, but this is going to be a big hindrance to us. Let me just acknowledge. I'm not. It's not like I'm acknowledging. It's more like let me point it out. Except there's something stronger above there, above here, up here. That's going to hinder us. Let me color it red because it's danger. Sorry, where is the thing? Can't even see where the coloring is. Okay, I've seen it. This is where it's hiding. So color there, saying red, because it's danger. Then sorry, add another line. I need to come out red. I thought as much. So let me color this one. Yikes, my bad. Let me color this one to the normal color of blue. Then delete it and just check if it will keep up coming red. Just to check if it will have. Let me draw the line. Okay, now this is red. This is literally red. This is literally red. So, um, Let's move on. Let's move on. Okay. This is going to be a big problem. It okay, there's something stronger, obviously, one, two, but this is going to definitely push our market. It's going to be some sort of bounce from this red down before it go up. It's definitely going to be something like that. But with that being said, take profit here, take profit acknowledged here, stop loss acknowledged here, stop loss acknowledged here. There's no any other acknowledgement. Let's see. Acknowledge. Oh my goodness. Then here, take profit acknowledge one, two, three, four. Hmm. Stop loss acknowledged here. Nothing else. Entry slightly acknowledged here. Let's go to daily time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame. This is the two we just worked with. So let's go. Let's go there. Let's zoom in. This is seriously going to be a problem. This peak is seriously going to be acknowledged here, by the way. Take profits, stop profits above here. Um, there's no acknowledgement for N3, but um, the profit here. Take profit, take profit, take profit acknowledged here. Stop loss slightly. This is just a jamboree of why are you still looking at that? That's the kind of jamboree we call why are you still looking at that? Let's just look at it from here. Nothing, 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 nothing. Entry. I think I saw entry. Peak entry. Remember, this is the daily time frame for any beautiful, magnificent. See it here. Pricing it on the very point, on the very price. So yeah, this is good enough. Now let's wait. I'm just trying to check something. Let's shrink. Wait, shrink. I'm going to time frames. I don't know what's wrong with me. Stop loss acknowledged here, by the way. Take profit acknowledged up here. Let's keep going, going, going. We keep going, going. Now let's zoom in on it. Nothing is going on here. Take profit here. Take profit here. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else. Take profit here. Take profit here. Take profit here. Take profit very, 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 very. Nothing there. Take profit here. This is nice. Take profit. Um, and stop loss here. Okay. Which other one? Which other one is coming my way? Let's just keep zooming and zooming in, zooming and zooming in. Stop loss here. Take profit there. This red is a big problem. Apart from that very count, I don't think there's any other big for entry. Take pocket, take profit, take profit, take profit. Take profit, take profit, take profit. All of them profit, profit. Nothing on entry and stop loss. Take profit all over up here. Nothing. Okay, entry here. Finally, another entry. Third entry. I like that. I like that. Fourth entry. Fifth entry. Nice. Take profit, take profit. Okay, everything has been well acknowledged. This red line is going to be a big problem. I can sense it within me. This is what you're looking at here is double top. In case you're not, and the double top was not above here, it was below here. And it's a very strong double top. See the force it rejected. It came all the way from here. It came all the way from here down to here and purely rejected and came. That red is going to be a big problem. Big problem. In fact, I'm literally praying that AUD card trade does not give us an entry trigger. That's literally my prayer. Let him not give us an entry trigger. Let else give us an entry trigger. Not AUD card. Let's zoom in. This take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. Stop loss here, stop loss here. Okay, decent stop loss by the way. Nothing else. Let's zoom out. Why in the world does this market not want to close? Okay, let me zoom. Let me watch from here. No, let me zoom. Uh-huh. So, nothing here. Nothing here. Slight stop loss here. Let's go. Take profit here. Okay, nice take profit. I like that. Stop loss here. Nothing. Nothing. I take profit up here. Profit up there. Stop loss here. Stop loss here. Take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. And all of them is from the beginning of market. So that's the profit well respected. Every other part is well respected. So that means AED card has been sorted out. Except we're going to like remove this obviously. We're going to remove this. Okay. USD card, I'm expecting an entry signal from here already. Because I don't think we've ever placed a trade right in before you guys. It's usually on. Okay. This might be the first brick of structure, retest and go to the upside. So we're waiting for the obviously the entry alert. So in AED and SND, I think that's the last one for us to make our analysis on. That's the last one for us to analyze. I think after that one, we're supposed to be done with any analysis concerning it. So AED and SND. AED and SND should be higher, including this. Then obviously to place our bullish entry above here. Adjust it to reality. 550, 200. Let me show this. I think this is percent. Okay. Draw horizontal line here. And draw horizontal line here. Can you guys hear me? I have a feeling that you guys can't hear me. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Can you guys hear me? Hello. Can you guys hear me? Okay, thank goodness. Because of ADNs and the let's go there. Reset, shrink. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Shrink. Okay. What is okay? I'm supposed to do this. Now, open sesame. Don't tell me I don't want to experience any network issue. Okay. Can you guys hear me? Okay, yes, oh goodness. Okay. Um, 8 years a day, nothing. 15 minutes, let's go. I don't think I've been given a blank chart, like no limits. It's been long I actually saw a no limits trade. No limits take public limits and all that. So it will be fun to have something like that. But in the meantime, let's just focus on what we're supposed to focus on. The network issue is crazy. Is bad. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. I like it. I like it. Saves up on time. Hmm. Do you know that I actually fancy smaller time frame uh, peak acknowledgement more than any other higher time frame one because some people prefer the higher one because it's stronger and all that. It's not that I'm hating on it or anything. But with the smaller time frame one, it's more easier to pick. It's more easier to pinpoint than higher time frame one. But it doesn't matter, Sha. On the daily time frame now. I can't believe it has not. Wait, it's not daily as and this is very replace. I knew it. There's something here. There's literally something here. Something here. Okay. Mm, okay. Mm. Let's zoom in on it. Zoom in on it here. Because the only way for us to pick. Okay. There are two ways. Okay. It missed it. It missed it. I was trying to say. I was trying to say if this missed. Okay. Stop loss acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged up here. Okay. Let's go. I'm not a fan of very very tight spaces. Okay, we're almost done with it though. I, this dinosaur is almost like the best feeling ever, apart from seeing the TP hit. Slightly acknowledged, stop loss acknowledged here. TP, all acknowledged. Take profit acknowledged up here. Shrink, 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 shrink. Then zoom in. I'm trying to here, 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 here. Everything you see here is take profit. Okay, take profit here, take profit here. Transfer here, stop loss here. Entry, well acknowledged here. Take profit here. Yeah, very nice pick. But if you ask me, ugh, is it not done yet? Come on. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in for the market. Before finish our analysis for today. Before network could betray me. For today. Before network could betray me. Okay, I can hear you guys now. You can finish our analysis for today. Before network could betray me, let me just run away. Let me run away. So this is our entry. So we need to name everything. This is entry. Oh goodness, no. It's not downloading then. Okay. Entry. Entry. This is the SM. I was hoping it's up here. Let's just put possible SL. It depends on how the market play out. Stable SL. Then TP, take profits. So I think everything has been settled. Everything has been settled. We have alerts on all three of them. We've analyzed our three per USD card, AED card, and AED, and now is to go through an entire day doing nothing but listening to watching the charts on my phone. So take care, stay cool, stay jiggy, and obviously.